I would like to take this moment to acknowledge and express appreciation to the Modjadji Royal Council and my uncle who held the fort for over 20 years following the intended passing of my beloved mother, Queen Modjadji VI. I further wish to extend my gratitude to the Modjadji Royal Council, Modjadji, and all other stakeholders who have stood firm and resilient in the face of challenges threatening the Modjadji Royal nation. Considering the recent events and the President's decision, that has not only shocked myself and the Modjadji Royal family, but the Balobedu nation at large, I felt it necessary to address our people on these recent developments regarding her late mother, Her Majesty, my mother's story. It is not a secret that the royal family had been involved in litigation regarding the identification of an heir to my mother's throne, Modjadji. Litigation which was instituted by people seeking to destroy my family's legacy and ascend the throne for their own benefit. The royal family, along with myself, were made aware of this decision to recognize my younger sister, Princess Masalanabo, through social media. This decision was neither communicated to us formally, nor did the government have any formal engagement with us to furnish us with the reasons for this decision. This decision has left the Modjadji royal family and the entire working nation confused. Social media. It is unfortunate that the government did not see it fit to conduct proper and thorough engagements with myself and the royal family prior to publicizing such a decision. I myself and the royal family are disappointed in the manner which the government has overlooked our customs and traditions in identifying an heir to my mother's throne, and further has disregarded the royal family's decision which was formally communicated to government in April of 2021. Balobedu, Ubalata was a production. Mkino luka ije yaka. Yola kwa wana wame rukwa nipingani chini. I am not at war with my younger sister, nor do I wish for us to have any animosity towards one another. Despite the people who are trying to drive the wedge between us, I can only implore you, my younger sister, be sober, where I am a woman. Rukono bisa pala kumabrina kavila ya maliwa kake. Balobedu, tena sinjiro na kusisa uchireja musibui. Mara, bekumbule kwa baba, bekumbule kwa malu. Ene gasi waworo, musi uchireja jana. Eo buseleja, kile kaiji, uchireja musi.